Let's talk about philodendrons. And this little cutie is a heart-shaped philodendron with a little bit of variegation. She is beautiful. Philodendrons prefer bright, indirect light. So direct sunlight on them can scorch and burn their leaves. They can tolerate low light, but they won't grow as well and lush for you. So bright, indirect light is your best bet. These guys love humidity. So during the winter, if you have your heat on in your home, it's a great time to give them an extra mist or maybe run a humidifier that keeps that humidity around them a little bit better. You can also group your plants together during the winter to help the humidity between the plants. Now, when it comes to watering, these guys like consistent watering about once a week. Sometimes you can get away with just every 2 weeks, but you want to make sure you're watering it thoroughly, that all of the soil is getting damp. But then let it dry out between each watering. What makes philodendrons so rewarding is they are a very fast growing plant. So they will start to trail for you. They love to climb. So think about when you place it in your home where maybe you can add a support pole or a moss pole that it can climb up. If you don't love all the length that it's giving you, that's okay. You can trim it back. They are such a fun one to propagate. Just trim it back to wherever you see a little node. Sometimes you might even have little roots coming out already. Propagate those in water and you'll have many more plants. There are so many varieties of philodendrons, so they are a fun plant to get to know and explore and experiment with. So happy planting, and we hope you enjoy.